lot of interesting machinery and down here on the docks in Sawyer. This is the port, just Sawyer. A couple small fishing boats. Look at this old winch right here. It hasn't been used for a while. This thing goes up to the boom and down. Maybe they do use it actually. I don't know. But look at this really interesting thing. I know the draggers would be interested in this. It's an old fork truck that has a net reel attached to it, so they can actually move it around. This is an ancient fork truck right here. We had one like this down the dock a long time ago. All kinds of drag nets, but it's attached to the fork truck, so they can move it around. You see the gears right there. Big transmission. And they can move the gear around quite easily, I imagine. Let's go check out the fishing boats. There's actually, look at this. This is like super high-end real estate right next, and restaurants right next to the fishing boats. All works out, doesn't it? It just seems to work out just fine. Look at this beautiful fishing boat right here. Look at this. Look at the doors. They look like aluminum or stainless. Probably stainless. Big doors. Steel on the bottom. Net reel. And look at the big net reel that's under the canopy here. That's big. Big net. So they got two nets they can work with. And most of the deck is covered over. Pilot house is all covered over. Another one of these fork trucks with the net reels on it. So cool. I don't suppose it'd be that hard to rig one of those up. We don't have too many draggers left though. How many draggers left in Gloucester? Another dragger. Two net reels. One of the net reels is huge. The other one is much smaller. I don't know. Two different kind of fishing, how that works out. All hotels and restaurants. And over there, oh, there's a trolley. Kind of goes right through the center of town. That goes all the way to the middle of the island. A lot of tourists take that. Look at the mesh though. Look at the mesh size. It's not much, pretty small fish are gonna get caught in that mesh. That is tiny. Look at that. Look at how fine a mesh that they're fishing with here. You'd be thrown in jail if you were fishing that fine a mesh back home. Well, look at the bulbous thing underneath this is kind of interesting. Right there. Look at that. Hello. Boats are well maintained, so that tells me they're being that's the litmus test for me. If the boats are well maintained, they're making money. Port de Sóller, Soller, in Majorca, Spain.